Hey y'all, so I'm not here with a proper intro, but I know y'all want to see how cheap this look. This look is tea, and I have my favorite color, so if y'all want to see how cheap this look, keep on watching.
Briana Marie, the cut crease queen, yeah. She got what you need, yeah. You know what I mean, yeah. Briana Marie, the go-to stylist. Treat you like a diamond, everything is love with Briana Marie.
Hey y'all, I know y'all missed me. I was supposed to be going live Saturday, and I will be going live, but it won't be on makeup. It will just be me going live to talk to y'all when I come back in. I'm thinking because I really don't have a lot of time. I always do that. I don't have a lot of time when I come film. But y'all, I got cute yesterday, got my nails done. A vlog will be coming out. Yeah, I did my birthday hairstyle again. I was like, I want to do that again because it was really cute. Now we're about to get into brows. I won't be showing y'all brows. In this look, it's going to be a soft brown makeup look. Just get ready with me, okay? Actually, the makeup look, I'm going to make it quick. Try my best to make it quick. I want to do my makeup in less than an hour. I already got my eyebrows done. I got 3 bumps under my chin, y'all. Really bad. It hurts so bad. Do these brows real quick. And I want to tell y'all the products before I start. Benefit Brow Gel and 24-hour brow gel. I finally got the right size door to my room, y'all. So my room is almost done. Be complete almost. I gotta get a few little things, and I'm telling y'all, I'm going to go ahead and do the room like tour. And tour, I'm doing it like it's a big room to go around, but it's a small room tour. But it's gonna be part 2 of what I did back at home, y'all. But you know what? I'm not even gonna say it's a bad thing. It's okay. I did the year, and I said that's what I said. So I'm gonna go ahead and just rebuild myself back up again. I want to be okay while in the midst of doing it. If that makes sense, that means comfortable, but not comfortable enough. Okay, like it's kind of hard when you're paying bills and you don't even pay just rent. Like, and that's why that year just taught me a lot, because it's like you paying rent, and then I got the highest rent of all. Okay, ain't nobody paying that rent like that. So the highest one of all, then you got light bill, then you got gas, and then it was water, but it was included in the rent. So that's a lot to take on, okay? Like that was really a lot to take on. So wherever I move in next is definitely gonna be cheaper than what I was paying. Cause you know what? I can't do it unless I become like famous or like a millionaire or something, you know? I wouldn't even do it.
I ain't gonna do it, but this one is the one. Yeah, ooh, I'm glad I did. Ooh. See which shade you want it. They say apple cider is great for bugs.
I usually don't get most. I'm missing my whites, my eczema whites. I really didn't have no acne. I mean bumps coming in when I was using those, y'all. And if I did, they would be bumps like the here and there. Anyways, I'm about to go ahead and do what I just said, y'all. Say goodbye. You just want to get cute, go outside, take pictures, and just be that fashionista girl. Like, I think I'm going to transform into like doing fashion content, because I feel like that's better. I really did my eyebrows good. Like, I really, like, come on now. Anna, by the old Walmart, it snapped. And I'm trying not to add so much of the black on the ends, y'all. Mochaccino. Oh, that's the light one. And I honestly can't do my brows all over with Mochaccino, but I like Espresso, so it's the back, because I like my hairs a little bit darker. NYX Professional Lift and Snatch Brow Tint in the shade, what is this? Espresso, y'all. So now I'm gonna go ahead and conceal for real. To conceal, I'm gonna go ahead and take my NYX A Warm Honey shade. This is the Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer, and I'm gonna go ahead and take that just on the arch of the brow, and then a darker concealer towards the other halves. actually not that. Like, I'd like to know. Y'all, eyebrows eating, okay? Like every time. So I did the bottom of these. Alright. It's time for the eyes. I'm gonna go ahead and use my base for my line. This says Icy 1. This is Icy 1. I'm gonna restock on my bases, blushes, and lip glosses, y'all. Tap, 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 tap. Y'all haven't checked out my site yet. I don't know what y'all waiting on. Go ahead and do so because I have some bomb products. I am going to go ahead and use one of my lip glosses in the center so you can see. But I don't have no blushes. Blushes are out of stock. I actually have to do a refund because I thought I had more than more than 2 blushes, and I didn't. So yes, absolutely. So the brown that I want to go in with, oh, it's this brown out of this palette right here. It's called the Quiet Storm. I think I'm going to use this brown. Let's see if I want to use that one or if I want to use something else. But she sent this over. This is by Lashing Out Glam, y'all. And this brown right here. Y'all see this brown? It's like a warm brown. So pretty. I want to use this one today out of the Lashing Glam palette. The Lashing Out Glam out of the Quiet. I'm sorry, the Quiet Storm. I remember that. They still do that. The Quiet Storm. If y'all in Chicago, they do that. On the radio. If y'all know nothing about that, y'all tripping. The brush I like to use are these, like really fluffy brushes. This is a Morphe 505 brush, and I'm just gonna go ahead and take that and just start patting it on my lid. These are my always go-to looks when it comes to anything. Anytime I'm going out, anytime I'm taking a picture, I'm like, damn, it's still the same as the look. But when my outfits pop, the makeup, I just want it to be just that. I have so many of these looks on my channel, and y'all need to go run it up. Okay, what are y'all doing? I'm gonna go ahead and take that warm brown and just start packing it on. Don't forget to go ahead and tap this like button, subscribe to the channel. People that is lit over here. This is a pretty color, okay? It's like a warm brown. I want to tap this out, and then I want to go ahead and take another color, to be honest, because I don't want it too deep. So we're just tapping this out, and I'm going to go ahead and go on with a lighter color. I like how her colors like just melt into each other, and this is a black owned brand. And do y'all understand what I was saying when I was like, sometimes shadows, like it could be too much if you don't tap it out and it just like stays there. This isn't doing that. It's blending. It's really blending. Bronze palette that I was talking about was Juvias PLouise Bronzed and Dark. And I want to go ahead and take the first shade because it's the lightest one, as y'all can see. I'm in it, man. I've been hitting, man. Lux 302 brush. I'm going to go ahead and just start tapping this on top. Okay, so just like that, I'm going to go ahead and take the same 2 colors, rebuild and reform them to the way I like. Come back. Okay, so now that everything is blended, it's time for the wing liner. Okay, so let's go ahead and do this wing. I can't see on this one like that, but I'm about to go ahead and get me a my phone and do this one. I'm gonna do this one off camera because I just can't. Y'all see that? I cleaned it up. And that's everything. So yeah, I'm putting my lashes on again. Like I've been using these lashes for many, like so many times. These are all I wear in my tutorials. Like same lashes, y'all, over and over. So I'm about to go prep my lashes and then I'm gonna come back and put them on. Alright, y'all, so lashes are on. I use my lashes in the style VVS 25 single millimeter lashes. One of my eyes with more liner because the liner sometimes, well, lashes, when you do use them so many times, they have this abrasive. Yeah. I'm gonna take this hydro grip. I went ahead and applied this Embryolisse cream, light cream, and then I'm gonna go ahead and spray milk hydro spray. And I'm gonna go ahead now and take my foundation. The two Dose of Color foundation is my favorite. Okay, so I already applied the Dose of Colors on one side of my face. And I'm gonna go ahead and take the rest and apply it. All right, y'all, so for concealer, let's see. Go ahead and take Butterscotch. Put it right in the center. And so I'm gonna take this Boing concealer. Okay, so I blended everything out. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do my contour. I'm gonna go ahead and take my color pop. Discontinued this one. I'm so mad. I look good. I look damn good, baby. Go ahead and wait for this morning. Concealer. We're not doing it too light today. We're just gonna do it just like this. I just gonna do blush towards the back. So this is Rare Beauty Joy blush. Beauty blender. Let's go ahead and blend this. See when we're around all the way out too. That was Maybelline Fit Me in number 20. Favorite. So now I'm about to go ahead and powder my face. Y'all see this? Y'all like that with this one. Taking my palette, well, my Juvias Face palette in dark. Blush, I'm gonna go ahead and take my blush. Okay, blush is so out, y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and take this one and a little bit of that lighter pink. So I think I'm Love Stone in my favorite grotto. Fire, y'all. I'm about to go ahead and do my lip and then we're gonna finish the rest of the face. It's always a Noah Beauty lip, y'all. So honestly, I'm gonna tell y'all the lip when I finish it. All right, so that was my blush. I'm gonna go ahead and do my lip. I'm going to do it off camera and I'm gonna tell y'all exactly what I used. So I'm gonna tell y'all my lip, but I'm about to wipe this off pretty quick. Let me go add the final touches, which is spray. And this party, oh yeah. I could not record a outro or an intro, y'all, but I really hope that y'all enjoyed. These are the final touches of the look. And y'all, don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And you already know I'm gonna catch y'all on the next video. Bye.